What is decentralization? In 2009, we had Bitcoin, right?
Bitcoin.
It opened our eyes to having decentralized money. Right? That was pretty cool. Then in 2015, Ethereum basically came up with a technology called smart contracts. It was a game changer basically. From 2017 down to 2020, we saw tons and tons of new blockchain pop up. Different blockchains were trying to do different things. They're trying to have more innovative technologies. But here's the thing, there's still a very big problem. Most of these decentralized blockchains were using big cloud providers behind the scenes, and basically this made everything expensive and not really decentralized after all. Now enter the internet computer. This guy, Dominic Williams, started working on it back in 2016 and he finally launched it in 2021. Let me tell you, it's shaking up things in a really big way. So what's the big deal, you may ask? Well, basically, the internet computer does it all. Storage, computing, anything, just name it. And get this, it does not need all those big cloud companies at all. And oh yes, did I mention, it is way cheaper too, and that's basically a very nice bonus. For example, let's say you take a picture on your phone and you want to store that picture on the blockchain. How much do you think it would cost you? Well, let's break it down with different blockchains. Let's say you want to store that picture on Ethereum. Now it's going to cost you about $50. That's quite harsh. What of Solana? Well, Solana is a bit better, but it costs you $15. But let's keep to context here. We're talking about a phone photo, a photo that you probably take with your phone that might be 4 MB at most, or maybe whatever picture you have is about 30 MB, I think. So then how about the internet computer? Well, it will cost you less than a cent. Yes, you heard right. We're talking about fractions of a penny here. This is not to store your photo for, let's say, a month or a year. It's to store your photo forever. It costs you less than a cent to upload a picture to the blockchain, the internet computer, forever. But wait, there's more. You know these NFTs that we talk about, non-fungible tokens? Well, on other blockchains, the way it works is that the image connected with the NFT is not stored on the blockchain. But when it comes to the internet computer, every single thing is stored on the blockchain, down to the image, the token, whatever asset is connected to. And that actually means I own my digital stuff. Internet computer isn't just another blockchain. It's an embodiment of true decentralization. By eliminating reliance on centralized cloud providers and distributing computation across independent data centers worldwide, it's creating a genuinely decentralized internet infrastructure. This isn't just about cheaper storage or faster transactions. It's about building a future where our digital lives aren't controlled by a handful of tech giants. A future where privacy, security, and user control aren't just buzzwords, but fundamental principles. As we wrap up, I want you to imagine a world where everything you use, every photo, every video, every app that you use is basically stored on the blockchain. And that is the promise of the internet computer. It's not just the future of technology, it's the future of how we interact with each other. And basically, if this vision, sits with you just as it sits with me, and just as I believe in it, you can stick around to see more videos, which we'll be pushing out quite frequently. Thank you.